Hi guys, the first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My full name is ELISABET WAHYUNI MEOSIDO. My student ID number is 1405102117. I am from the Management Study Program, Faculty of Economy, Majalengka University. This video was made to fulfill the 7th semester of the English course assessment given by Mr. Abdul Hakim. How to make a delicious chocolate pudding. The ingredients are there: 1 sachet of chocolate flavored milk pudding, 500 ml of water for chocolate flavored milk pudding, 1 sachet of black caramel powder, and 250 ml of water for black caramel powder. Open the sachet. Enter the chocolate flavored milk pudding into the container. And add 500 ml of water to it. Mix well. Turn on the stove for cooking while stirring until boiling. Stirring until boiling. Make sure the fire is small and mix well. After mixing, turn off the stove. After mixing, pour into the mold. Let's stand a few moments. While waiting, open the sachet, enter the black caramel powder into the container, add 250 ml of water to it, and mix well. Turn on the stove and cooking while stirring until boiling. Make sure the fire is small. chill in the refrigerator. So, the steps for making delicious pudding chocolate. Thanks for watching and good luck at your home. Bye-bye.